Little girl, you have a knock down the wall of my counter.
No, sorry, Miss P. I didn't think you heard me.
Miss say you broke off the counter.
No, I didn't think so you hear me. Sorry, Miss P.
Okay, where you want?
I want 2 pounds of chicken, Miss P. But come forget, Mama said me forget some stuff. So, now one list.
Okay. What you want?
2 pound of chicken.
2 pounds of chicken.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. 2 pounds of chicken. Okay, alright. 2 pounds of chicken, 2 pounds of chicken, 2 pounds of chicken, 2 pounds of chicken. A long time I not see you.
I know, I'm sorry, Miss P.
Yeah, you're sorry, what you're sorry for?
Mama hasn't sent me down here in a while, so.
2 pounds of chicken.
Yeah.
Call you out the chicken, here. Ah, see, that's 2 pounds of chicken. So what do you see with brown man I walk, I go up here. How we brown man?
I'm an uncle and come from foreign. Just come down here from foreign.
You just come from foreign.
Yeah.
Oh, and look nice in your wife?
Yes, and I have a wife.
Yeah, wife.
Uh-huh.
So when bring her on?
And bring me one dolly, Miss P.
And bring a dolly.
Bring me one dolly.
And bring a dolly, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure you take care right in the car. People are foreign to work hard for their money if you know on a high girl. I mean, know you with that she having a water and the same thing.
Well, you know me, I have to give my dolly a bath.
Yeah, dolly a bath.
Yeah.
2 pounds of chicken. Okay, I can see. Come on, I want this to go with 2 pounds. I can see. I should have just give one a chicken. Well, I eat what 8 pounds. What else you have for your chicken?
1 pound of sugar.
1 pound of sugar.
Uh-huh.
Alright, yeah. So your sister have baby yet?
No, she not a baby yet, you know, Miss P.
Okay, keep 2 pounds of chicken, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, she not a baby yet.
No.
What you say you want?
1 pound of sugar.
1 pound of, it don't look like me have no sugar, you know. It's sugar done.
Sugar done?
Sugar done, yeah, sugar done. Yeah. Sugar done. You know, look like me. Oh, I have no sugar. Oh, yeah, me have sugar. Alright, 2 pounds of sugar.
One pound of sugar.
Yes, your sister has taken already.
No, she not have baby yet.
So I feel brown man, she still have, she breed, I brown man, she still there with?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I see her in her belly, big man.
Yeah, she's on her baby.
I think she dropped the baby already.
No, she not have the baby yet, soon.
Soon, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, how much sugar you say?
1 pound, please.
1 pound of sugar. Oh, okay, 1 pound of sugar. 1 pound of sugar, yeah. 1 pound of sugar. But yes, I brown man, she still have I brown man. She still wait.
Yeah.
Brown man. Then love and brown and boy. Then love and brown. They coming like I will like sugar, gonna be 2 pounds too. You look so. You get the last I sugar and I sugar done. Sugar done. Sugar done. You get the last I sugar. Lord Jesus. What a calamity, yeah. Hurry up, yeah. Hurry up. 2 pounds of sugar, okay. Me only have pound and half of sugar left, so tell your mother say she get the last.
1 pound of sugar.
Oh, 1 pound.
1 pound of sugar.
So why you didn't say it louder?
Miss P.
Why you never did say
I
it
thought you
louder?
heard me. I said 1 pound.
Well, Miss
1
swear
pound
I
of
can
sugar.
me hear you say.
No, 1 pound of sugar, Mama.
You come
said.
like you not read where your mother.
No, 1 pound of sugar, Mama said.
1 pound.
1 pound.
A pound and a half I put in here. Yes. So, I'm going to take back some of this sugar here. Yeah. Sugar here. Okay. Because I want for sugar this. I want for sugar this 1 pound, yeah? When you talk to me, you know, so me speak and I have like a hearing thing. So you need to talk.
Okay, I'll speak up, Miss P.
Alright. Yes. You need to talk up.
Okay.
Yes. Speak up.
Okay.
When you talk, this look like a 1 pound, you know. Look like a 1 pound. I see. It look like a 1 to me. Look like a 1. 1 pound of sugar. Alright, 1 pound of sugar. What else is on your list, my dear?
2 pounds of mixed flour.
2 pounds of mixed.
Mixed flour.
Mix.
Two.
Alright. That means that cornmeal fit in it. Alright. Alright, so your sugar there.
Alright, thank you, Miss P.
Ah, that nice. Miss P, look how well you mess yourself. Jesus Christ. Because when you not talk to me loud, and them sitting and happen, you know? You have to talk to me loud.
Sorry, Miss P, sorry.
Yeah, I can't hear. Yeah, I cannot hear. I cannot hear. You understand? Talk to me loud.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, when you say flour, mixed flour?
2 pounds of mixed flour.
Okay, mixed flour. Sugar dash what all about. I'm so going to take up my sweet shop here today. Jesus God. That's why I love when people come and me shop, you know. I don't know where their mother don't get up and come by themselves. Because we don't talk clear. Mixed flour.
2 pounds, please.
Okay. 2 pounds of mixed flour. Alright. 2 pounds of mixed flour. So where your daddy there a long time I don't see you. Long time.
In their work.
In their work.
Yeah.
Alright. So nothing now going up in your yard.
No.
Nothing now going up there. Nothing new now going up there.
No, just my uncle come from foreign come visit. Come visit
and him bring your dolly.
Yeah, and bring me 1 dolly.
So why
I'm pretty dolly.
You pretty?
Yeah, I want pretty dolly.
So I'm not bringing nothing more, no clothes, no shoes, no nothing, because when they come from foreign, you know, they want you to climb tree and go pick coconut and, yeah, and give them coconut water and
Me climb
roast
tree, you know,
breadfruit.
Miss P. Me climb tree for him.
You climb tree for
Yeah.
him? And I'll go 1 dolly, could I bring you?
Well,
Oh, God, then tight with the money, you see, man. Tight with the money.
me climb tree and get him coconut.
Yeah, tight. 2 pounds of flour, you say?
2 pounds of mixed flour.
Mixed flour. So I mix it with calm, you know. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Mixed flour. Okay. On a mix so. Yeah, but you say your uncle bring you $1.
$1.
He gonna bring you no shoes.
And bring
no
me one pretty dress now, Miss P.
He bring you a pretty dress.
Yes, and bring me one pretty dress.
I think only dolly alone, you say.
No, and bring me $1 because I love my dolly.
Pretty dress that for me.
Yeah.
Oh, my dolly, come.
I love my dolly.
I love everything, you see. Okay. Yes, my dear. Mix flour. So that's a 1 pound of flour then, 1 pound of cornmeal. We're going to mix it up, yeah. Oh, this is the same thing, yeah. I mix it up. Yeah. How much pound you say again?
2 pounds.
I have good memory now. You see, Miss P, I get all. Now I done my cornmeal too. Everything when I got done. Well, you know what? Yeah, you need to tell your mother say I'm flour short, you know.
Okay.
I'm married. Usually you have to buy a flour with a corned beef. But because of she, make sure know, because of she, I'm not going to give her a whole 2 pounds.
Okay.
At 1 pound, I make flour.
All right.
Yeah, because we're short.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yes, Miss P.
Yeah,
I'll
flour
tell her.
short. Flour short.
All right.
Flour short. You understand?
Yes.
All right, flour short. Flour short. Okay. I'm married. Things are going. When she buy, tell her she buys a corned beef with flour next time, she will get it 2 pounds.
Okay.
And for now, I just disagree. Yes.
Okay.
I disagree. All right.
All right.
What else?
1 tin of mackerel.
1 tin of mackerel.
Uh-huh.
But again, 1 tin of mackerel. All right.
All right. Half a bread.
Half a bread. All right, give me speed. How many? Give me speed. Clean up yourself and put my bread here. Give me speed a little thing. Give me speed a little time. Make her clean up this counter. All right. Yes, Miss B have to clean up. Miss B have to clean up. Half a bread.
Yes, half a bread.
Half a bread. Okay. Half a bread. Yes, I'm going to sell that half a bread. Half a bread. Yes. All right. Half a bread. It's like a half. Okay. Yeah. Half. Look like a half. Look like a half. Look like a half. Here.
You have good measurement, Miss P.
Yeah. I don't want you to out the bread from your way home. You understand?
Yes, Miss P.
No matter you out the bread from your way home. I'm pinch you off and your mother thinks I don't half a bread, myself. Yeah, I know all the time. Yeah.
Yes, Miss P.
Half a bread. Alright. What else?
1 tin of sardine.
1 tin of sardine. Yes, 1 tin of sardine.
2 pounds of rice. A 2 pounds of rice, she say.
You know, sir, rice short, you know.
Rice short?
We have to marry the rice.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to marry the rice.
Oh.
So,
I'll tell her.
Yeah, she have to buy something else with the rice. You
Oh.
understand? Yes. We have to marry the rice. We marry the rice. She have to buy, she have to buy something else with the rice. Yeah, rice married to a saltfish.
Oh.
Yeah, tell your mother say rice and a saltfish get married.
Oh.
So,
And the flour and the corned beef.
yeah, flour and the corned beef.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll let her know. Okay.
Yeah.
So, how much rice can I get then?
Me only can give a pound of rice. That's the best me can do.
Okay.
Yeah, only a pound of rice.
I'll tell her.
Yes, a rice married off.
Okay.
Saltfish sea rice, I'm married it.
Okay.
Yeah, pound of rice, I think. Yes. Pound of rice. Yes. Pound of rice. Only pound of rice. We can do. Yeah. Saltfish sea rice, fall in love with the rice, and the two of them get married. You understand? That's how it happens. Two of them get married. Yes. So, pound of rice I do it. Yeah? I'm going to pound of rice we can afford to get.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Pound of rice. Pound. And I become know your mother. You understand? Because I don't do this to everybody.
You don't do that for
I don't do
everybody?
it for everybody because your mother a long time customer. Yeah. Your mother has shop down here before you even born. Yes, I know your mother before you even born. Two more grain supposed to get you a pound. A 5 grain that going there. Yeah, 5 grain that. Me don't have to take up 3 grain. Yeah, they carry it over. Okay. They carry it over. God, let's see, let's have to kill everything. That's how it go. When you get old, that's how it go. Yeah, you hand them not too sturdy no more.
Oh.
Yeah, you hand them not too sturdy no more. Alright.
Thank you so much, Miss P.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, what else?
Alright.
What else you want? What else you want?
Miss P, me need to get a big jill of coconut oil.
Big jill.
Mama said me forgive you that.
Big jill of coconut oil.
Yeah.
Alright. Big jill oil. Big jill. Okay.
Big jill of coconut
Your mother
oil.
go down big shopping to them.
Yeah.
A big shopping I go on to them. Big jill.
So I can make one nice meal for my uncle.
Yeah. Yeah, your uncle gonna bring Dolly and one frock and she make big dinner for you. Okay. Big jill. That look right about like a big jill. Yeah, make you all right. Yeah, it still have look like come down in there. Yeah. Still a drip. It soon reach a big jill. Soon reach a big jill. I think a big jill that. Yeah, big jill. What the cover for your back on?
I get.
Yeah.
Sorry. Can I put these in my bag now, Miss P?
You're not there, so whether I'm not to put them in your bag. Put them in your bag. Yeah. Alright, what else is on this? What is?
Mama said forgive you that.
So your uncle there from foreign? Eh? And I got them big food and I trust she trust. Eh? I have to put her in a book. I put her down in the book. Yeah. Because see, all of them I can hard up.
Oh.
Yeah, I can hard up with that. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. I'll got her down in the book. Yes.
Miss P, do you have another bag? This one's.
Me nah no more bag.
You know, no more bag?
No more bag. No more bag.
Okay.
No more bag. Yeah. That's how it. That's it?
No. She gave me this, forgive you too. Mama said forgive you that.
Tell your mother some no stay free bread, yeah? Tell her say stay free bread done.
You know how no stay free?
No, me no stay free bread.
Okay.
Stay free bread done, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, tell your mother that.
Stay free bread done.
Yeah, stay free bread done. Me no more stay free bread left, yeah? What I stay free bread them, done. Just tell her. No stay free bread not there. Yeah?
Okay.
Alright. No stay free bread. And tell your mother say me will see her at church Sunday.
Yes, Miss P.
And make sure you not tap and ramp with the grocery them.
Yes,
Go
Miss P.
straight home because your mother wait for the grocery them for cook food, girl. No.
Yes,
Nobody go idle road. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
Miss
your
P.
friend them. See you
Yes,
later.
Miss P.
Yeah, man, later.
All right,
Big
Miss
up
P.
your mother for me. You hear? And your father.
Yes, Miss P.
Yeah, big up all of them for me. Yeah.
Yes, Miss P.
All right, later. Yeah.
People